में डॉक्टर फारूक अब्दुल्ला ने ज़रिए क़वानीन के मनसूखी के बिल के लोकसभा में मंजूर होने पर रद्द-ए-अमल का इजहार किया है। उन्होंने इस सिलसिले में बहस की मांग की। उन्होंने कहा कि जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों के दिल जीतने के लिए ज़रिए क़वानीन की तरह 370 हटाने के फैसले को भी वापस लेना होगा।
We want a discussion. A discussion is important. But without discussion, they just pass bills, which is their way of doing things. They have done it. So what can I say about it? Unfortunately, it is not the parliamentary way of doing things. We have lost our moorings. Tragedy is, Parliament no longer is the same as it used to be. Today, bills are passed without any discussion, and that is why this bill has been taken back, repealed. Why was it repealed? If the government had listened to the opposition, had discussed, none of this would have happened. And 700 farmers wouldn't have died. I hope they learn lessons from this. If they want to win the people's hearts, that is the only way. They will never win the hearts of people by coercion, by force. They will never win. They will lose. And nation will have to pay a very huge price.
So do you demand that these...
Yes, that should also be taken up.